how was the stock market developed? So the stock market effectively came from the Dutch, right? They developed the first stock market, the Dutch Stock Exchange. They had what was referred to as the Dutch East India Company.
Yes.
And the Dutch East India Company was essentially a shipping company, a logistics company that
Yeah.
would ship.
Probably one of the most influential
Oh, yeah.
companies in
history,
existence. Yeah.
And they would ship goods throughout, the coast, South Africa, go to India, etc. And what would often happen with this company is that ship voyages were so treacherous and potentially so dangerous. It required a lot of funding. You need to get, sailors, shipmen, build the boats. It was very, very expensive. So they figured, how do we get more funds? How do you raise funds to go on these voyages without having to dole out cash that we don't have yet because we haven't actually sold our goods?
Sure.
So the idea was we would go and sell shares in our ship voyage, and based off what we sold when we sold and went to the port and sold the goods, we would give people returns of that. So they formalized the market that you could buy stocks in ships that were going on a voyage.
I didn't know this.
Yeah.
That's so interesting.
So that was the first stock market ever created, was in Amsterdam.
Yeah.
And that obviously over time developed into what you know now, where it's effectively the same thing. The principle hasn't gone. Like,
sure.
you're giving businesses money to develop themselves. Hopefully they pull out a dividend, which is essentially the profit that a company generates over a period of time, and pays it back to its shareholders.